my Whirley Pop Popper, and this is how I make popcorn. As a matter of fact, this one is about 10 years old, and it's still working fantastic, by the way. And I'm going to make a batch of popcorn and show you how quick and easy it is to make popcorn in a Whirley Popper. 1/2 cup of popcorn. And you don't want to go too much over because it'll expand a lot. And then I'm going to go here, throw that into there. 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil. In this particular case, this is canola, which is just as good. I like canola. 1, 2. And you can do 1 tablespoon of oil if you prefer. You can see what it looks like in there. And now I'm going to put this right here, the lid on top of the Whirley Pop Popper. It's very simple. Put this down here. This is all fastened. This is the crank, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on medium to high, but mostly medium heat. Okay? So, and if you hear a dog in the background, that's because I have a dog that's very, very jealous and that wants to eat the popcorn with us. So here's the popcorn popper, and here's a couple things we need to know about popcorn. So it has a low glycemic index, and because it has a low glycemic index, it's beneficial to people that have type 2 diabetes. So as what you do is when the popcorn starts to pop, and it will here in a couple minutes, we start cranking this crank. And we're going to make a batch of just really good homemade popcorn. You don't want to use a bag of popcorn. This is actually as fast as a 3-minute bag of popcorn, and I'll show you why. You'll listen very carefully here. It's getting ready to start popping. And when you hear your first pop in the Whirley Pop Popper, remember, there's a 1/2 cup of popcorn and there's 2 tablespoons of oil inside. That's all there is. There's no additives, nothing else. Not like that popcorn microwave stuff, okay? So now, as this is going, it's been going for about a minute. I'm gonna say, there's our first pop. Hear it? Now let's see. There's another one. And so, as it starts to pop, you turn the crank. And it's gonna take, you will not get a burnt piece of popcorn, and you won't get an Old Maid in any of this popcorn. And it's just a good machine. There it goes. Hear it? That's going to go faster. Okay. Now here she goes. It's kind of fun. There she goes. There it is, isn't it? Look how fast it goes. Now, what's really nice is this handle will go down. Almost there. I can feel the popcorn in here. 1 or 2 pops. Pull it off of the heat. Turn the heat off completely. And do 1 or 2 final rotations. The popcorn is here. I'm going to come over here to a bowl. I'm going to open this up. Okay, got the popcorn into the bowl, and you have a beautiful, beautiful bowl of fresh popcorn. For my benefit, for the flavoring it, I'll put a little bit of popcorn salt in it. This has a butter coating. Some of it does, some of it doesn't. So I'm going to put a little bit of this in it, lightly, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn the popcorn. And there it is. We now have fresh popcorn. Let me look. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Not too bad. Okay, so now we're going to make some flavored popcorn that has a flavor that we all like. If you like the flavor of chicken and a biscuit, you're going to love this popcorn. It's really simple to do. What we're going to do first is we're going to add our 1/2 cup of popcorn. And it's just a little under, maybe a little more there. There you go. Add our 1/2 cup of popcorn. Looking good. And we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This is just pure science here. Simple, 2 ingredients so far. 1, 2. Actually a little under, but you could even use 1 tablespoon and be fine. It will pop just great, so no problem. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add another thing, which I think is going to be kind of neat. This is better than bouillon, chicken flavor. And we're going to add just about this much in a teaspoon, not very much. And we're going to put that into there, going down, come on, there you go. I'm going to put a little more in to compensate for what sticks to the spoon. Okay, we got that. I'm going to add a tiny touch of turmeric. So basically we're making a snack that's healthy and is beautiful and is fun to eat. Okay, so let's put that in there. Let's go ahead and take the Whirley popper lid, put it on. I'm going to take this lid, push it down here. I'm going to take this, put this down. Make sure that's good and solid. Okay, and let's turn it on. Okay, now I'm going to turn this a little bit so it will mix all of the ingredients. The popcorn hasn't started popping yet, but it will. And when it does, I'll let it sit for about a second or two now. Okay, there you go. So this is better than bagged popcorn just because it tastes better than that microwave bag popcorn, and you don't have to deal with all that plastic lining that they put inside of those. Who knows what that does? In any case, turmeric, we do know, is pretty healthy. And chicken soup, everybody takes chicken soup for the soul. We know it, and for the mouth too. So let's go ahead and just have a chicken flavored popcorn. This will make you feel good. Not only physically, but mentally. Hear that popping? We're doing good. I think this is gonna make, wait till you taste this. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, there we go. The chicken flavor. I think I'm smelling chicken soup today. This is chicken popcorn for the soul. There you go. Look at that. Now it's got a beautiful yellow color. It's and we're going to add just a little bit of salt, not very much, and we're going to toss it. Now let's see what it tastes like. So today we made 3 batches of popcorn. There it is. Very subtle, light chicken flavor. Beautiful, crisp popcorn. Look at this. All within 15 minutes. That's enough popcorn that you can watch a full entire football game and not eat it all. You could watch a full-length movie and not eat it all. And you have friends who are vegetarians, they can have the vegetarian. You have friends that are chicken eaters, here's the chicken. And of course you have people that like good old turmeric herbs, there's the turmeric.